Expect. Regard something as likely to happen. Number one, regard someone as likely to do or be something. Suppose, presume, think it likely, think, believe, imagine, assume, conjecture, surmising. Surmise lang. surmise. Surmise. Calculate, judge, trust, guess, reckon, figure. Number two, believe that someone or something will arrive soon. Anticipate, await, look for, hope for, watch for, look forward to, look ahead to, have in prospect, contemplate, bargain for, bargain on, bargain for, bank on, prepared for, plan for, predict, forecast, foresee, prophecy, envisage, envision. Number three, look for something from someone as rightfully due. Look for something from someone as rightfully due or requisite in the circumstances. Require, ask for, call for, look for, wish, want, hope for, count on, rely on, insist on, demand. Expectation. Now, a strong belief that something will happen or be the case in the future. Number one, a belief that someone will or should achieve something. Supposition, assumption, belief, presupposition, presumption, conjecture, surmise, reckoning, calculation, prediction, forecast, projection, assurance, confidence, trust, anticipation, expectancy, eagerness, hope, hopefulness, excitement, suspense. Number two, one's prospects of inheritance. One's prospects of inheritance. Prospects of inheritance, hopes, outlook, look out. No space. Look out.